1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Look at the screen. This is our new toy. What do you reckon? Show them, lass.
What?
What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
I was just trying.
I taught you better than that. I taught you how to tell the story. You didn't tell them everybody you've been driving people mad for like 6 years about how much you want one of these things.
I'm sorry, man.
That's no good. I taught you better than that.
Yeah. I didn't have a... I was just trying to do my best, but I didn't have a lot of footage.
You got to roll it back to the start. You need to have some more information. Just have it in the background, like, here it is. What are you going to do?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Well, fly.
Yeah.
Start from the beginning.
Yeah. I didn't have a lot of footage to go on. I was just doing the best I could.
Then use what you've got.
Yeah.
Now get on with it.
Okay. Just
Sure.
one of the... Okay.
With a brand new T6 and a big family.
This is our new toy. What do you reckon? Show them, lass.
What?